Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's tutorials. Today's tutorial is how to set a limit on the number of responses that you receive when you send out a Google form. So you'll see that I'm in a form that I've previously done. This was actually an earlier tutorial that I did on how to add an image into an actual question within Google Forms. So if you want to watch that video, I'll include a link to it in the description box below and at the end of this video. So let's say I want to set the response limit to this particular form. So what you would need to do first is go up to the top right corner where the three dots are, which is your More button. Click on there. Scroll down to add-ons and click on add-ons. This will open up basically a marketplace of apps that work with all of the Google apps in the Google Suite. So you can see the bottom corner here. This will tell you that it's compatible with Google Forms. So the purple one is Google Forms. If you scroll down, you'll see there's one for Google Docs, which is the blue one, Google Slides, which is the orangey coloured one, and then Google Sheets, which is the green one here. So if you go back up, you're basically wanting to find an app called Form Limiter, which should be along the top row of the marketplace. So you can see that it's here. Click on there and it will open up the description and everything of what it is, and click on install. Now this basically just tells you that it needs your permission in order to start installing. So you have to make sure that you're logged into your current Gmail account that you use, and you're basically giving it permission to view all of these and edit certain things. So just click allow and that should be ready to install. So it's telling you that it's been installed, and you can find it in the top corner on the right hand side. You'll see a little jigsaw piece which is here. So you can close this, so just click done. And you'll notice a box has appeared in the bottom right corner. If you don't want to use this just yet, this is actually the form limiter options, but we'll get rid of it to begin with. So you just click on the cross to close it, and you can click the cross here to close down the apps there. So we're back to our form, and you'll notice the jigsaw piece here. This is where your add-ons are stored. So if you click on there, and any add-ons that you have installed will appear here. So at the minute we just have Form Limiter. So if you click on there and then click Set Limit, and this is the box that appears. So you can set the date and time of the like a deadline date for the form. You can limit the number of form responses, and you can also do the spreadsheet cell value. So we want to limit the number of form responses here. So stop accepting form responses when responses are greater than. So in here you put in the number of responses that you want to receive before it actually closes. So we've got it down as 11 at the moment. And then you can customize a message here that people see on their screen when the submissions are closed. So I've just left it as a standard one, the defaulted one, which says this form is no longer accepting responses and has been set to automatically close by, and then the current email address. And then you can tick a box to say whether or not you want the form owner, which would be yourself, whether you want to receive an email to let you know when submissions are actually closed. So that's it. You would just tick save and enable, and that will then set the form limiter. So you'll see here it says saved, so you can now close this. So if you now go into preview, you'll see here we've actually got 12 responses, so it should now automatically be closed. So if you go into your preview here, this is where you would normally see a preview of the form, but because you've already reached the limit of the number of responses that you wanted, it's actually showing you the notification that people will get instead. So this is the message that we customized in the previous step, and that's what you see. If at any time you want to change the number of responses that you've set the limit for, if you click on the jigsaw piece again in the top right, click Form Limiter, go to Set Limit, and then you can just change the number of responses in this box here to whatever number you wanted to, and click Save and Enable. If you actually want to disable the limiter, then just click Disable, and that will actually remove the limit, and then just close that down again. And if you actually want to uninstall the form limiter altogether, then click on the More button again, the three dots in the top right corner. Click on add-ons. This opens up the marketplace, so you can see all the list of add-ons that are compatible, and you'll see it has installed next to Form Limiter, which is what we've just put on. Click on the three dots to the right of that, the options, and click uninstall, and this will uninstall the app completely. and close that down, and you'll see the jigsaw piece is no longer there. So that's how you would set a limit on the number of responses for your Google Forms. I hope you found that helpful, and let me know in the comments if you use any apps compatible with Google Forms to help with your productivity or how you would manage your forms. I'd love to know. Thanks, and until next time, happy learning.